Greetings viewers, Eric the Car Guy, and today's video is sponsored content. But I'm happy to be bringing this to you because at the end of this video, I will be providing you with some information that could save you potentially a lot of money. And today's sponsor is Haynes Manuals. And the reason I'm sitting on my truck here is because I've got it virtually almost all the way torn apart. When they produce a Haynes manual, they go out, they purchase a vehicle, tear it all down to nothing, similar to what I've done here with this truck, and then they put it all back together. They use certified mechanics to do this, professional editors, all that kind of stuff. They have people taking pictures. In fact, there's over 800 images inside of these manuals. And well, they're packed with useful information by people that actually did the work. That's the thing that I think kind of sets Haynes Manuals apart from other manuals, because somebody actually turned a wrench to bring you the information, which is cool. In addition to that, if they find a way to work around the use of a special tool or something, they include that information in said manual. These manuals are available in print form, like this one, which I've had for some time, so you can keep it around so you can watch the pages yellow like I have with this one. Or you can have them in electronic form as well, which the electronic versions are completely searchable. So instead of like doing something old-fashioned like flipping through pages and finding the information you're looking for, you type in a keyword and it takes you right there, right? Also, if you happen to like, say, page 2B-14 and you think it's the greatest page ever, if you have an online manual, you have unlimited printing, so you could print that up, well, a gajillion times if you wanted to. So unlimited printing on this stuff, and it's searchable when they're online. Now for the part where I said I was going to save you some money. Now, Haynes reached out to me and asked me to produce these videos for you, and they offered me a promo code, and that promo code is EricTheCarGuy, all one word, just like my hat. So when you go to checkout, type in EricTheCarGuy, and it is worth, wait for it, 50% off these manuals. Not just the prints, the online manuals as well. And if you purchase a print manual, not only is it 50% off, but it's also free shipping. So if I can't inspire you to go out and buy Haynes manuals right now with that, I don't know what I can do. Now, if you want to take advantage of this offer, you got to get moving, because this offer expires May 21st, 2019. So get clicking. Anyway, I want to thank you for watching. Thanks for tuning in. And thanks to our sponsor, Haynes, for bringing us these really cool manuals and this video. Links down in the description to important stuff. Be safe, have fun, stay dirty. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Let's see if I can not screw this up.
See if I can listen to it.
Why don't you stop recording so I don't have a take that's just stupid like this?